Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can upload a WordPress theme to Bluehost. So whether it's an e-commerce theme, a blog theme, a real estate theme, or any other theme, so you can purchase any theme from any third party like Theme Forest, Envato Elements, or any other theme provider. So when you will purchase a theme, you will get a zip file. So basically, we need to see how we can install a theme file using a zip file. So here when you are on your Bluehost account, just go to the hosting and here you will see the websites that you have on your account. So here if you want to install the theme on this one, then you can click on edit site. We will use this Valiance Business Consulting WordPress theme for this example. I have also covered some other tutorials on this channel where we installed Woodmart theme and some other themes. So if you want, you can also check them out. So my client has purchased this theme and he sent me that. So now let's see how we can install this theme. So if you own a consulting firm or a marketing agency, then you can choose this theme. It's a good theme built with Elementor, so you can easily customize and add your own content and functionalities. So when you are purchasing the theme, first of all you should see that on which page builder it is built. I recommend the themes that are built using Elementor because that's the most flexible plugin nowadays, and it's also one of the easiest that you can use on your website, and you can easily customize your website. You can edit the existing sections very easily, and you can also add new sections. All the details are written on the theme pages from where you purchase it, so just make sure they are compatible with any famous page builder like Elementor. Other page builders that are used are WP Bakery, DV. So you can check out on which page builder it is built and make sure that they are easy to handle so that the theme and the website that you build will work for you in a longer term. So to install this theme, let's go to the website. So here I have a fresh WordPress installed. So to install the theme, we will go to the dashboard, and here under dashboard we will have to go to appearance, and now we need to upload the theme zip file. So I will click on upload, and here we will have to choose the file that we need to upload. Before choosing the file, you need to just open the folder where you downloaded the theme. So here is the theme zip file that was downloaded from theme first. So here we need to extract it. We will right click on it, and we will have to go to WinRAR, and we will have to click on extract files. If you don't see WinRAR option, you can just download it from the internet, and it's a free software that you can use to extract files. So just click on extract files. So here it is extracted, we can open it, and here you see multiple zip folders. So this is the child theme and this one is the parent theme. So child theme is used so that when we update the parent theme, or changes are not lost. Child theme is valuable, then you can install it. Otherwise, you can just use the parent theme. You can always create a child theme using the child theme configurator plugin. I already have a video on that, so you can check it out. So now let's go back to the website, and here we will have to upload the parent theme. So here is the parent theme. We will just double click on it and we will click on install now. It will take a little bit time, so we need to wait. So the theme is uploaded. Now we need to click on activate, and now we need to go to themes again, and now we need to upload the child theme. So we will click on upload, click on choose file, and now upload this child file and click on install now. So here you can see it's installed. We need to activate the child theme, and now we will have to click on this install required plugins button. If you don't see this, you can just go to appearance and click on install plugins, and here you will see all the plugins. So just click on install and install all of these plugins. You can install them one by one, or you can also click on this select all button, and here you can click on install and click on apply. Activate all of these plugins. If you are installing any other theme, you will see these similar options. So you need to install the required plugins in the same way. Here you can close this startup. So here in Valiance Theme we have to enter the purchase code and email that we got from the theme forest. So here I have entered them. Now I will click on register theme. So the license is activated. Now we can import the demo of the theme. Some themes you need to enter the license key and it's a must, but in some you can also skip this step. So if it's not giving you the skip option, then you will have to enter the license key. You get the license key when you purchase the theme from theme forest or any third party, so you have to enter that if it's a must. Otherwise you can just skip it. Under Valiance dashboard we will click on import, and here you can select the demo. So here it is showing, we can select it, and here we can select all, and we will click on import and just make sure this is selected to yes, so all the images will be uploaded and you can replace them with your own. And now it will take a little bit of time, so we need to wait. So here you can see that the import is completed, and now we can visit the website. So here when you will refresh it, you will see a page like this. So here we need to set up the home page. So here are the home pages design that are available in this theme, so you can check them one by one and see which one suits you better. So you can just check the design of all of these home pages that are available in the theme, and then you can visit the website and go to settings and go to reading, and here you need to select the home page that you want to choose. So for example, I want to use this consulting home, so I will select it and click on save changes. And now let's visit the website and go to home page. So here you can see that consulting home is our new home page. So that's it for this video. Like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.